Yikes. If seeing a wasp makes you want to turn and run, you're not alone. Wasp stings can be painful, and wasps can be aggressive when their nests are disturbed or when they're scavenging for food. That's why at the S.E. Johnson Institute of Insect Science for Family Health, we've spent decades studying how to fight wasps and hornets. And with that expertise, we've developed products that are scientifically designed to kill wasps and hornets, a subset of wasps. Before you spray, make sure you've correctly identified the insects and their nest. Some wasps share their black and yellow coloring with bees, but bees are more docile, environmentally friendly pollinators, and Raid products are not intended for use on bees. Their physical characteristics can help you differentiate. Wasps are less hairy than bees, and their legs hang down when flying. A single wasp can sting multiple times, but a bee can only sting a person once, embedding its stinger in the skin. Wasp nests may be papery and hanging in shady areas made of mud in sunny wall cracks or constructed underground. Bee nests are smaller and have a waxy exterior. Twist and snap off nozzle tab before spraying. Shake well before using. Stand a safe distance from the nest. The product sprays up to 21 feet. Hold can upright and spray directly on the nest with the wind to your back. Spray until the nest is thoroughly covered with fast-acting foam. The foam kills wasps and hornets on contact. Although the formula kills on contact, wait 24 hours before fully removing the nest, just to be sure. Always read and follow product instructions. Now that you've got the basics, here are some more tips for treating a wasp nest with confidence. Treat the nest at dusk or dawn, when it's cooler out and wasps are less likely to be active. Help protect yourself from stings by wearing gloves and long sleeves while spraying the nest. Do not spray on or near electrical wiring. Choose solvent-based Raid Wasp and Hornet spray to treat nests near live electrical components. Do not approach or spray the nest alone. Always use the buddy system and ask someone else to treat the nest for you if you're allergic to stings. After treating existing nests, there are several easy steps you can take to help continue to protect your home from wasps. Make sure all door and window cracks are sealed. Inspect window screens and make sure there aren't any holes. Some wasps are scavengers, so to make your home less enticing, keep the area around your home free of food sources. Tightly seal garbage bins. Keep grills and patio furniture clean, and dispose of ripe fruit that has fallen from trees. Following these helpful tips, along with using Raid, will help you stay tough on wasps. Because when it comes to being ready to protect your family, there's no such thing as too tough. S.E. Johnson, a family company.